wow, this place is really beautiful. It's in Rayong province, about 1 hour's drive from Pattaya.
ที่นี่มีความสุขและแสงไฟ Fountains, the breeze from the sea, Tamnanpar. A nice place to eat, make you feel alright. Cha cha cha, ain't it funky now?
Well, this is certainly the most beautiful entrance to a restaurant that I've ever been to.
I said Tamnanpar, Tamnanpar. I said Tamnanpar, you know what I mean. Tamnanpar is the place to be. So work, glam, cake, gram, to let's see. With Thai food, spicy, sweet and true. Western food made just for you. Tamnanpar, Tamnanpar. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Tamnanpar, let's go. Get some grinds, y'all.
Not a bad place to sit and have a meal, right? Here are a couple things we ordered. You might not be familiar with sour fried egg salad, but it's called yam kai dao. It's a very good dish. This over here is pak gut. It is a fern, a wild mountain fern. This is what my Caucasian friend ordered. It's a plate of tomatoes with some mayonnaise. This over here is a coconut soup we call tom ka gung.
Get some grinds, y'all.
Let's give a taste to this tom ka gung. Do whatever you want. Nice big mushrooms, big pieces of shrimp, large shrimp, baimak root, which is kefir lime leaves. This restaurant is about 130 hectares or rai. I'm not sure what that is. Giant place. According to Rides for Kicks, the Thai food is better than the Western food, but here it is, just to give you a look, idea of the prices. You can get a, for example, a crocodile steak for about 15 US dollars. Get some corn soup. Man, they love that corn soup, right?
Yep. It's fancy.
Kunchana has experience with the corn soup crepe.
Grapes with corn on it. It's a hit.
It's a thing.
I would like to suggest
มีอะไร
corn soup with cheese. Corn soup.
corn soup corn soup
Yeah.
okay
Tamnanpar. Get some grinds, y'all. Go to Tamnanpar tonight. ที่นั่นมีความสุขกายแสนไฟ The fountains, the breeze from the sea.
So does Tamnanpar,
Make you feel alright.
I think in Thai, Tamnanpar, something like that, but it's Tamnanpar in English is the way it's spelled. In Rayong, do I recommend it? Yeah, I do. For the view, for the location and all that. The food is good. I would order Thai food. But definitely, if you're in the area of Rayong, come on out here, have a gander, grab yourself something to eat. Pretty sure you'll enjoy yourself and be glad you came.
Tamnanpar Resort Restaurant. Tamnanpar Resort Restaurant. Tamnanpar Resort Restaurant. The fountains, the breeze from the sea. A nice place to eat, make you feel alright. Ain't it funky now? Smack my lips, shake my hips, slap my face with a chili pepper. Feel alright. Tamnanpar, Tamnanpar.
I telling you, that was Thailand is 100% pure gold. That was Thailand is the best YouTuber in เมืองไทย
With Thai food spicy, sweet and true. Western food made just for you. Hey, Tamnanpar, Tamnanpar, oh yeah, oh yeah. Tamnanpar, let's go.